Friends, open Pixar tab. Now tap on plus. Now tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background today I am going to use. The first step, go to add photo and select the wolf background. Friends, this is the image. First step, you have to go to adjust, tap on saturation, give it 100. Now go to temp, give temp to 100. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on flip rotate. Now select the third one. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase the hardness to 90, and you have to it is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, stretch out and you can arrange it in this portion here. Perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, keep the size to around 70, decrease opacity, decrease hardness, and erase these portions. Perfect. Now tap on tick and arrange in this portion perfectly. Next step, go to add photo and select the model image, and you can arrange it perfectly like this, and you can zoom in little bit. It's perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, increase the size, decrease opacity and hardness, and simply erase like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now you have to arrange this wolf and this model image perfectly. Now it is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select plate PNG and keep this rocks PNG aside. Now bring this plate to the center here. Perfect. Now tap on these rocks, rotate it and arrange one here. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate. Now tap on flip rotate and tap on third one and arrange another one here. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select fire PNG. Friends, this is fire PNG. Now go to blend, tap on screen and arrange in this portion here. Now tap on move down. Perfect. Next step, go to add photo and select standing pose model image. Pose model image, arrange in the center like this perfectly. Now tap on shadow, tap on position and keep it 100, keep it 100. Perfect. Now go to adjust, tap on saturation, increase saturation and also increase temperature and clarity little bit. Now tap on tick. You have to arrange it perfectly in center like this. Next step, go to add photo and select shadow PNG. This is shadow PNG. Now bring the shadow below the shoes like this. Tap on move down. Now again tap on duplicate, bring another shadow here. Now tap on move down. It is perfect. Now you have to tap on tick mark and you have to save this image in Pixar and jump into the Snapseed app. On Snapseed app, tap on plus. First step, tap on pencil and go to details, increase little details to around 28, 26, tap on tick. Next step, go to pencil, tap on HDRscape and select the nature and keep it around 20, decrease, give little brightness and give little saturation. Now tap on tick. Next step, tap on pencil, tap on vignette. Now tap on tick. Okay friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is the before and final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.